Hello fellow traders, welcome back to my channel once again. Today this is CNN on the screen, and in today's video we are diving straight into the essential keys to growing a small account and of course achieving consistent profitability in the forex market. So grab your notepad, grab your pen, take a cup of coffee, sit back and let's get started. Unlocking forex success. 4 essential keys to growing your small account or any account size. Or how about from small to success, mastering forex trading essentials? Well, whichever one you prefer, these are the keys you've been looking for. So let's jump right into it. Number 1, learning sustainable skills. Now, this isn't just about quick fixes or get rich quick schemes, right? It's about building a rock solid skill set that will carry you through any market condition. Think of it like building a study house. You need a strong foundation, right? You wouldn't build a house on sand, would you? No, you wouldn't. So why build your trading career on a shaky knowledge? Invest in learning sustainable strategies and techniques that stand the test of time. I said a lot about this, okay, and what you're seeing on the screen is one of the skills that I may likely teach you guys, right? And it's all about how do you explain fair value gap, okay, in forex market at a glance, right? And then we see fair value gap playing out here. It's a key concept in forex market, right? So we can see it playing out on trading view. Okay, this is a different analysis. What you're seeing is not just an indicator. It's not just a mapping, it's an indicator that picks, okay, the fair value gap. And unlike what is obtainable in some other channels, we do not play back on things like this. We show it to you real time. So you need to learn what is sustainable, okay, for you to be profitable in the long run. And number 2 is that you need to understand certain key concepts of forex trading and understand top-down analysis. This is like having a bird's eye view of the market. You need to see the big picture of the market before zooming in on the details. It's all about context, baby. It's about context, guys. It's about context, traders. So you need to see the market in different perspective, in different contexts. Time frame context, right? So that you don't just have a bigger picture of the market and you don't just have a general overview of the momentum, the long-term momentum, the long-term pressure of the market and direction of the market. You are also being equipped not to be tossed about, not to be thrown out, kicked out of the market, because you already know what is playing out. Now, let me tell you, whatever that is playing out as the volatility or the tossing about on the lower time frame is actually being dictated by the higher time frame, right? So when you have a bigger picture of what price is doing on the higher time frame, irrespective of the tossing about, if you have made your analysis correctly, the tossing about happens just to kick people out of the market. But if you have a clearer picture, a bigger directional guide of the market, then you know when the price is actually going against you and when it is just to scare you out of the market, and then you stay put to the end. So think of yourself as a forex detective, right? Piecing together clues from the larger market trends to make informed decision. It's a game changer. If you know it, brother, it's a game changer. Trust me, it's a game changer. Number 3 is that you need to have a working strategy. I cannot emphasize this enough. This is like having a roadmap for your trading journey. You wouldn't set off on a road trip without a plan, would you? You wouldn't do that. So why take that risk in the forex market? You need to have a working strategy. Having a solid strategy gives you direction, okay? Not just that you're going to make money, but it gives you direction. It keeps you disciplined. Not just that, it also helps you to navigate the twists and turns of the market. It's your secret weapon. Your strategy, a working one, is your secret weapon, okay? Number 4 is that you need to take only high probability trades. I also mentioned this. This is very, very important, and this is where the magic happens. It's not about trading for the sake of trading. It's about waiting for the perfect moment to strike, right? Just like a lion stalking its prey, right? High probability trades or setups increases your chances of success and minimizes your risk. It's all about quality over quantity, folks. So there you have it, traders. These are the essential keys to growing your small account this year, beyond this year, this new year, and of course achieving consistent profitability in the forex market, not just today but also in the long run. Remember, it's not about luck, it's about strategy, it's about analysis, it's about skill sets that you have acquired, it's about the constant investment of your time in learning, right? I hope this helps, and let's take a quick recap of what we have just said. We said that number one is that you need to have a kind of skill set. You need to learn what is sustainable. You don't just learn everything that you feel works, even when some of them are wrong for you to learn at that point in time, right? It might be working for some other persons, okay, that are already skilled, that know how the system works. I talked about account flipping. A lot of you just want to flip cents into thousands of dollars. No, it doesn't work that way. You need to achieve, or you need to learn sustainable skills that will keep you moving, that will help you to still flip that account in the long run, right? Then number two, we say that you need to understand top-down analysis and some other key concepts in forex trading, including smart money concept, price actions, other blocks, and a lot of other things. And I did say that I have a few of all these things that I'll be telling you, I will show you guys, and of course these are the stuff, right? So they are going to come one after the other, right? And that is number two. Number three, we say that you need to have a working strategy, and we say that it serves as a roadmap for your trading journey, and that you wouldn't set off on any road trip without a plan. And we also included that it gives you not just it doesn't just serve as a roadmap, it gives you direction, keeps you disciplined, and helps you navigate through the twists and turns of the market. And finally, number four, we say that you need to take only high probability trade. Don't just trade arbitrarily. You trade when you need to trade, when there is call confirmation that you should trade. And if that happens and trade goes against you, just know that the dynamic nature of forex, and of course the algorithm that drives it, is playing out. So we say that high probability setup increases your chances of success and minimizes your risk, and that it's all about quality over quantity, right? So I hope you found these tips valuable. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below, and also tell me the kind of video you want me to upload, you want me to make, any kind of video that has to do with trading. Tell me, place your request, leave it in the comment section, and then I'll be glad to make content on those topics. In the meantime, this is CN Great Councils signing out for today. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.